Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Zoho Books, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin the uninstallation of Zoho Books, ensure you have administrative access on your device. First, open your computer and navigate to the control panel. In the control panel, locate the Programs or Programs and Features option. Click on Programs and Features to view the list of installed software on your device. Scroll through the list and find Zoho Books. Once you find Zoho Books, click on it to select it. After selecting Zoho Books, look for the Uninstall option at the top of the window. Click on the Uninstall button to initiate the removal process. A confirmation dialog may appear. Click Yes to confirm that you wish to uninstall Zoho Books. The uninstallation process will begin and may take a few moments to complete. Once the process is finished, a confirmation message may appear indicating that Zoho Books has been successfully uninstalled. If necessary, restart your computer to complete the uninstallation. After your computer restarts, check to ensure that Zoho Books is no longer listed in the programs. If you installed Zoho Books via a web browser or mobile app, you will need to uninstall it differently. For a web browser, locate the extension or app in your browser settings. Click on it and choose the option to remove or uninstall. For a mobile device, locate the Zoho Books app on your home screen. Press and hold the app icon until you see an option to uninstall. Confirm the uninstallation, and the app will be removed from your device. And that's it. You have now successfully uninstalled Zoho Books from your device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.